Go.
Ah, son of a...
Do in the dark.
Oh my god.
Oh
my god.
Toe, please. Toe, please. Toe, please. His veins are popping out of his neck.
Get the toe.
Hey, I got a blister.
Let's have the toe, please.
Can we get the toe? No, what's your toe?
Toe, please.
Alright. Oh, man.
He's so like a ding, 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 short bus.
Okay. You want to dig your ear now.
No, yeah, we want your ear. Ear, please.
Here.
Ear, please.
Don't be scared, I'll do it for you.
I know you would.
Ear, please.
You better get ready for Jean's some flood insurance. You about to...
All right.
Ow!
You want to do the other ear?
Can we turn the light off for the next one, please?
Yeah.
No!
She wants to get the spot.
I got a bump right here.
Okay, now.
You hold it.
Oh, no. Oh, no way.
Toe, please.
No, I
Finger, please.
She wants a shot in the dark.
Ah! Oh!
I didn't hear it. Do it again.
No, I ain't doing
I
it
didn't
again.
get it. Again.
No.
Give it a good rub and a push. Go first fingers instead.